Welcome back to the Mark Dindos channel. Today I'm exposing one of the most important odd league secret, best timing to play and to win consistently in 2025. Most people play randomly and that's why they lose, but timing control how the pattern behave, and when you get the timing right, your chances of winning increases instantly. Eh? Why timing matters? Odd league run on repeated system patterns, goal, draw, team, and the team behavior follow cycle. These cycles are not the same the whole day. They are hot hours when the market is stable and predictable, and danger hours where the system become very random and causes losses. So today I will show you exactly when to play and when to avoid. Let's start. Best time to play in Odd League. Members nawaambianga best time to play in Odd League. Leo nawaambia best time to play in Odd League. Based on 2025 pattern, monitoring these are the following hours where pattern mostly repeated. Tukianza na best time tuanze na morning stability hours ya 6 am hadi to 10 am. Hapa hours inakwanga very stable, repeating over 1.5 cycle, clean win streak, less volatility. Note that many long sequences appear in this time range. So please, kwa wale wase wanacheza over 1.5, make sure unaamuka asubuhi mapema from 6 am hadi 10 am. We kitu kufocus na unakuwa unacheza over 1.5 juu volatility yake inakuanga chini. So mostly people cheza over 1.5 from 6 am hadi 10 am. Na that on that morning time unaweza win many time as possible with that, because inakuanga repeating over 1.5 cycles. So mostly just play over 1.5. Na tukienda evening, tunaenda evening sharp hours, predicted goal repeating. Sa tunaanza na from 7 pm hadi 10 pm. Hiyo tutakuwa tunacheza evening sharp hours, ni from 7 pm hadi to 10 pm. Predicted goal from 7 pm to 10 pm inakuanga predicted goal, repeating team behavior, high success rate for over and under goal strategy. Note that this when the system reset and become more consistently again. Please, kwa wale wase wanataka kucheza evening, so make sure unaanza 7 pm hadi to 10 pm. Hiyo inakuwa tu repeating team. Hizo games huwa zinajirepeat. Inaweza kuwa imeshinda na this goal, tena itarepeat ishinda na hiyo those on that goal. So please, wale wanapenda kucheza majioni after wametoka kazi, make sure you start at 7 pm. Na hapo team utakuwa unacheza home team or away team juu iko sharp na team behavior iko very strong, volatility iko very high. So make sure hapo unacheza poa. Na time to avoid. Leo nimeambia kuna time to avoid, kuna place ufai, kuna time ufai kucheza Odd League. Hii ni time gani? From 12 pm hadi 4 pm. Hii time avoid 12 pm to 4 pm. Hii time inakuwa na high volatility, fast pattern change, sudden draws na break winning sequence. Please to avoid hii time from 12 pm to 4 pm. Mtu asingie Odd League. Usikie tu 12 pm to 4 pm mtu asingie Odd League, please. Before you play, always check two things. Note that before you play, last 10 rounds, look for a clear repeating pattern. Check goal flow. Make sure unaangalia results. Results inasaidia sana. Wait for at least unaangalia result for 5 minutes. Ile past results, games zimekuwa zikienda aje. If it's random, too random, wait 5 minutes before starting. Remember, patience is a part of the trick. Please. Make sure umemark hizo time. Kama wewe ni asubuhi, make sure unaamka from 6 am to 10 am unacheza game yako poa. Na mostly hapo morning time, make sure unacheza over 1.5. Na kwa wale wase wa jioni, make sure unaanza from 7 pm to 10 pm. Hapo utakuwa unacheza home team or away team juu hapo na kuangana fast pattern change na sudden draws na breaking winning strategy. Please, kwa hivyo evening time, make sure unacheza home team or away team. Hapo mmenielewa. Alafu kuna ile time ya kuavoid from 12 pm to 4 pm, high volatility. Hapo 4 pm inakuwa na high volatility sana. Make sure hapo on that time from 12 to 4 pm usiwai place. I hope many get. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more 100% working 2025 oddly tricks. Make sure you comment below. Thanks for watching and playing smart. Goodbye.